Mga boss, ito yung sample ng kanyang mini driving lights version 3 Lumina Pro.
Wow!
Lumina Pro Elite. Ayan, nasa ilalim. Test na natin. Magpakabit si madam ng Lumina Pro. Ayan. So, high, low, passing horn. Passing.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some...
Sir, good day. So, di ba si Sir is meron naman pumunta ditong customer na si Sir. Saan ka ba galing, Sir?
Batasan po.
Oo. Anong problema na to, Sir, ng Honda Wave mo? Ba't nadala mo rito?
Ayun, mahina yung ilaw. Walang push start. Yun.
Yun yung problema. So, di ba ito si Sir is ano siya, wala siyang busina. Ang iniinda niya, wala siyang push start, wala siyang headlights. Full wave kasi ang nakita ko sa kanya sa charging system niya is di na nagkakarga yung regulator. So, di bali, inapera ko si Sir ng full wave na lang para much better, mas okay. Kasi LED na yung headlights niya. So, ito yung sample. Nagawa ko na pa. Ito yung sample niya. Yan. Ayan yung headlights niya. Yan, meron na siya. Naka-battery operated na. High, low, high, low, high, low. So, ngayon, okay na yung headlights niya. Meron na siya signal lights. Meron siyang hazards. Yan. Hazard. Yan. Ilaw. Ito. Yan. So, check naman natin yung push start niya kung okay ba. Yan. Napaka-basic niya na yung push start. Kasi naka-full wave na siya. So, busina. Check ko rin yung busina niya. Medyo lumakas na rin. Tapos, check naman natin yung voltage niya kung nagkakarga ba siya. Natin yung voltahe niya. Check mo nga, Sir, i-revolution mo, Sir. Sige, Sir, revolution mo, Sir. Natin kung nagkakarga. Tanggalin sa tester. Okay, sige, Sir. Sige, Sir. Aangat yan hanggang 14. Ayan. Tatanggal yung tao. Para makita mo rin yung voltahe, Sir, kung which way yung voltahe yan. Kasi number 1, check din yan. Ano naman hanggang 14 yan, Sir, pagka habang tumatakbo kayo. Kasi yung trabaho, sinisirculate nyo pa lang. Tapos naka-on kasi yung headlights mo. So, di bali, pag sunod, lalagyan na lang siya natin siyang switch. Pero wala namang problema kasi okay naman voltage mo. Umaangat siya hanggang 14.8, 14.9 ang maximum niyan. Okay, thank you, thank you. Boss, good day. So, di bali si boss is nagpalagay siya ng mini driving light Lumina ECO B3.
Wow.
20 watts B3. So, di bali ito yung kanyang bracket ng mini driving lights. Version 3 Lumina. Yan. Lumina Ecoline. Yan, nagpalagay si boss. So, kasi pabiyahe daw siya. Saan yung biyahe niyo, boss? Batangas. So, dilim sa Batangas kaya magpalagay siya. Ito si boss. Tapos, charger at voltmeter. Ito yung sample ng kanyang. Nagpalagay rin si boss pala ng Makoto E-Season. Ito, sample natin. Low, headlight pa lang yan, headlight. Low, high. Low, high. Low, high. Drop siya. So, tapos sa mini driving lights niya naman, ito yung low, high. Ayun yung mini driving lights. Kaya sa nais ng ganito conversation, PM nyo lang ako, chat. Pasok na rin kayo sa page ko para makita yung ibang klaseng sample. Tapos ito naman yung charger niya, Motowolf. Yan, Motowolf. Motowolf charger. Matago na siya. Kaya sa nais ng ganito conversation, PM nyo lang po. Thank you po.